Struggling to find where to add a bio in Yahoo Mail? You are not alone. It is hidden. Watch this to add it in under 2 minutes. So here is the deal. Yahoo does not make this setting obvious. It is not sitting in your inbox settings where you would expect it. But once you know where to look, it is actually pretty straightforward. I will show you exactly where to click, from signing in to saving your bio. Just follow these simple steps. Alright, let us get started. First thing, go ahead and sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Just use your regular email address and password like you normally do. Once your inbox loads up, we are going to head to the top left corner of the page. Right below that main navigation bar with the Yahoo logo, you will see a button that says Yahoo Overview. Click on that. Now this is the part that trips most people up. Yahoo Overview is kind of like a control panel for your entire account. It shows you your storage usage, subscription info, and so on. But what we need is actually hidden in this menu. Look for an option that says Account Info or something similar like Personal Profile. Go ahead and click that. This will usually open a new tab or window in your browser. Give it a second to load. What you are looking at now is your master account settings. From here, find the section that says Profile or Personal Details. And here is the really important part, because I have navigated through these menus many times. The field we need might not be immediately visible. Look for something labeled Bio or About Me. Sometimes Yahoo calls it About. Sometimes it is just a blank text box with no label. It might be tucked away under a subsection like Personal Info. Once you find it, type in your bio. Keep it short and sweet. This is usually limited to just a couple of sentences, so think of it like a mini introduction. Something like, writer and photographer based in Portland, or just your job title and a hobby. Make it sound like you. After you have typed your bio, do not close the tab yet. Look for a blue button that says Save or maybe Update. Click that. This is the step that is easy to forget. I have definitely made that mistake before. You need to make sure those changes stick. Now close that Settings tab and head back to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Give it a moment to refresh. You might need to reload the page. Once it does, check your profile icon or your name in the top corner. It should now reflect that new bio you just added. If you send a test email or look at your profile preview, you should see it there. So that is it. From frustrated and hunting through menus to confidently finding that hidden setting and saving your bio. I hope this saved you some time. Thanks for watching.